This is Nicker Casino, heavy equipment mechanic technician. A continue of the assembling of the transmission 966 loader. So I use parts manual by Monarch Cut. This is my tablet and scanner also. This is a scanner Ansel. So I see here I see here the parts manual of every component I install. So every component I install, I check always here. So have here. So I have also the manual of the parts manual of the transmission to install it properly and its specification. So here and here. So I use parts manual to assemble it to avoid any accident or misplace of the parts. This one. So here is 36 is 37. Is the displacement is 5. So this displacement is 5. So I can also see here how many pieces in this reverse planetary. See, so I can see the parts, how many parts I will install, and the picture. I see also the picture here. So it is good that you have here. So in my now I am preparing to install the displacement and clutch plate. So I need this one. I give a liner, then I will put this one. And you need also oil. You put oil here. You put oil here. And put some oil first. Okay, so now install, and after that put oil again. And this is the clutch disc. We will put it here. So don't forget your carbides to put only this one here.
Okay.
Put oil and put this one slowly, and put it again. And lastly, put the head. So we put the head in this manner. Put the head. Put head and then the lock here. You have the lock here, you put the lock here. So will this set is for the reverse.